Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the latest innovations in automotive technology and aftermarket accessories. Today, we're delving into the world of pickup trucks and the exciting array of upgrades and enhancements available for these versatile vehicles. So buckle up and join us. Ford's latest Ranger. Ford's latest Ranger has been touted as the most versatile pickup ever, likened to a Swiss Army knife for its array of features. One of its standout innovations is the Flexible Rack System, FRS, developed by Ford's Australian division. Known for its expertise in cargo transportation, the FRS is designed to meet customer preferences, offering a roof-mounted system capable of carrying up to 80 kilograms of dynamic load and up to 250 kilograms of static load. This system allows for easy transportation of lengthy items, like boards, ladders, and canoes. Ford's commitment to innovation is further demonstrated by their application for a patent on this system. Rack and Roll System. Designed for off-road motorcycle transportation, this system combines turnbuckles, brackets, and chocks, making it quick and easy to secure motorcycles. It supports up to 275 kilograms, accommodating multiple motorcycles or a single superbike with low ground clearance. The front-wheel lock ensures stability during loading and unloading, although the ramp is sold separately for $395 and includes a lighting kit. Davis Industries Hydraulic Lift Trailer. Ideal for transporting heavy equipment like forklifts, this trailer can be controlled by a single person. It features a hydraulic lift and a low center of gravity, making it suitable for loads up to 5 tons. The advanced version is priced at $45,000. Compact fifth wheel. Priced at $899, this fifth wheel is designed for trailers weighing up to 8 tons. It features easy dismounting capabilities to free up platform space and rails for proper load distribution. X-Rack System. Originating from Switzerland, the X-Rack system enables the transportation of debris or construction machinery using a standard pickup truck. It handles loads up to 1.2 tons with a welded S355 steel structure and offers remote-controlled loading and unloading. It fits trucks like the Ford Ranger and Toyota Hilux, allowing for modular use with different task-specific attachments. Box Am System. This innovative container system allows for easy loading and unloading by bringing the containers to the owner. It can handle a maximum load of 122 kilograms, and the containers are waterproof. The system moves containers from one end of the platform to the other in 12 seconds, and it partially disassembles for larger items. Note that it is primarily designed for containers and not as a makeshift crane. Tesla Cybertruck Camper Kit. Elon Musk's vision for the Tesla Cybertruck includes transforming it into an amphibious vehicle, but in the meantime, a $2,975 kit can turn it into a camper. The kit includes a tent that sets up in minutes, poles, an awning, a repair kit, and brackets. When folded, it fits in the Cybertruck's trunk and comfortably accommodates several people when unfolded. 27 North's Ascender Motorhome. For those interested in motorhomes, 27 North's Ascender, built on a Ford F550, starts at $750,000 and includes features like solar panels, a kitchen, a shower, a double bed, and heating. The Ascender is designed for luxury and self-sufficiency, with off-grid capabilities that make it suitable for extended adventures in remote areas. Its robust construction and high-end amenities provide a comfortable and convenient mobile living experience, catering to the growing market of overland travelers and outdoor enthusiasts. Easy hitch step. Folding steps for pickup trucks, essential for tall vehicles like the F350, are available with the Easy Hitch step, supporting up to 136 kilograms and priced at $626. The Easy Hitch step is designed for durability and ease of use, featuring a foldable design that allows it to be stowed away when not in use. Its sturdy construction ensures safe and stable access to the truck bed, making it a valuable accessory for those who frequently load and unload heavy items. Affordable LED strip lighting. Lighting systems for pickup trucks offer practical solutions as well. Affordable LED strip lighting is available at $27 for 1.5 meters with 90 LEDs. These strips provide bright and energy-efficient illumination, ideal for enhancing visibility in the truck bed during nighttime operations. The LED strips are easy to install, with adhesive backing that allows for flexible placement along the truck bed's perimeter. BattleNet's Barricade Crossbar. For robust cargo management, BattleNet's Barricade Crossbar, made from military-grade materials, keeps cargo stable with its robust nets. The Barricade Crossbar is designed to withstand heavy loads and rough handling, ensuring that cargo remains secure during transit. Its versatile design allows for quick adjustments and repositioning, accommodating different cargo sizes and shape. This system is particularly valuable for transporting bulky or irregularly shaped items that require additional stabilization. Tramontina Tool Organizers and Storage Solutions. Tool organizers and storage solutions from Tramontina feature 5 lockable drawers with vibration dampening, providing 3 square meters of storage space ideal for farmers. These organizers are built to withstand the rigors of farm work, with reinforced construction that protects tools and equipment from damage. The vibration dampening feature ensures that tools remain securely in place, even on rough terrain, enhancing organization and accessibility for daily tasks. JY Flatbeds. JY Flatbeds, priced at $14,500, offer durable platforms for farm and ranch use, fitting various truck models. These flatbeds are designed for heavy-duty applications, with reinforced frames and weather-resistant surfaces that ensure longevity and reliability. JY Flatbeds provide a versatile solution for transporting large and bulky items, from hay bales to machinery, making them an essential upgrade for agricultural operations. Pickup-to-dump truck conversion kit. Specialized upgrades include a $1,700 pickup-to-dump truck conversion kit for transporting bulk goods up to 1.8 tons, maintaining the vehicle's original appearance and meeting high manufacturing standards. This conversion kit transforms a standard pickup truck into a functional dump truck with hydraulic mechanisms that allow for easy dumping of materials. The kit is designed for seamless integration, ensuring that the truck's aesthetics and performance are preserved while adding valuable functionality. Multi-cargo transportation system. The multi-cargo transportation system transforms vehicles into versatile carriers, with the basic version priced at $1,050, supporting up to 454 kilograms. This system features modular components that can be configured to accommodate different types of cargo, from construction materials to recreational equipment. Its easy installation and adaptability make it a practical solution for enhancing the cargo capacity and versatility of pickup trucks. Side puller system. Additionally, the side puller handles up to 9 tons, is remotely controlled, and priced at $3,600 for professional use. The side puller is designed for heavy-duty towing and recovery operation, with robust construction that ensures reliable performance under demanding conditions. Its remote control functionality allows operators to manage towing tasks safely and efficiently, reducing the risk of accidents and improving operational efficiency. Black Sheep Storage Systems. For unique and high-end upgrades, Black Sheep storage systems utilize space behind taillights for additional storage, priced at $3,700 for the Toyota Hilux. These storage systems provide hidden compartments that can be used to store tools, equipment, and other valuable items securely. The innovative design maximizes the use of available space, enhancing the truck's storage capacity without compromising its appearance. Cargo Glide System. Practical accessories such as the Cargo Glide System, which slides out the cargo bed for easy access and supports up to 998 kilograms, cost around $1,400. The Cargo Glide System is designed to improve accessibility and convenience, allowing users to easily reach items stored in the truck bed without climbing in. Its robust construction ensures that it can handle heavy loads, making it a valuable addition for those who frequently transport large and heavy items. Thanks for tuning in to this deep dive into the world of pickup truck upgrades and accessories. We hope you found this exploration of aftermarket enhancements both informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest content. Until next time, keep exploring, keep customizing, and keep pushing the boundaries of what your pickup truck can do.